Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to unfriend someone in PUBG Mobile. First, open PUBG Mobile and log into your account. On the lobby screen, swipe left until you reach the background menu. At the top left under your profile picture, tap on the friends icon to open your friend list. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select delete. From the list, choose the friend you want to remove, then tap delete again. Confirm by clicking OK in the pop-up. And that's it. You have successfully unfriended someone in PUBG Mobile. The player will be removed from your friend list. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.